大家好，我係 Mr. Manso， 今日會為大家講呢就係 S4 嘅 Mastering Mathematics Exercise 4B Question 32。When polynomial is divided by another polynomial, the quotient and the remainder are x plus 2 and minus 3x plus 7 respectively. Find the value of k。大家啲課書都係學呢個 division algorithm 噶嘛，咁所有嘅多項式嘅除數或者除式啦，咁我哋都可以轉翻做一個嘅乘啊加嘅，咁啊叫做除法算式係咪？跟住試下爆下佢先啦。跟住咧，我哋咧就執翻去做4項。點解一定要係x3項啦、x2項、x 項15咧？同隔離應該係一樣嘅。咁嘅話，我哋可以比較翻啲coefficient of x square term 啦。一邊嗰個嘅 coefficient 咧就係2k，而另一邊咧嗰個x square term 嘅 coefficient 咧就係6減k。OK， 咁你會計到 k 係2啦。你 Mr. So 可唔可以用coefficient of x term 啊-3同埋1減 2k 啊，一樣計得翻個2嘅啫。我哋仲有一招要教你嘅。呢一招咧就係我哋其實學咗 exercise 4C， 即係remainder theorem 噶嘛。OK， 咁睇翻啦，本身嗰個除式係咁嘅款嘅。好啦，咁我哋利用咗 division algorithm 咧，就寫成為呢個樣啦。其實我哋只要能夠 set 到嗰個除式，咁啦，咦唔係喎，個除式係呢個喎。OK， 咁如果你知啦，乘數關係咪交換位棋好得噶嘛。咁我哋當咗個除式咧就係 x 加2，咁 set 咗除式等於0咧 ，x 就會係-2。咁擺落去咧 remainder 佢照樣都係-3x 加7㗎。不過當 x 係-2嘅時候咧，就出現咗個 remainder，計下咧就會計到13嘅。OK， 咁呢個可以俾大家睇睇下。好，多謝大家，拜拜。